Hey everyone, if you're looking for the latest tech gadgets that'll either blow your mind or save you some cash, you're in the right place. Today we're rounding up 5 Samsung products that'll shape your 2026 tech life. Whether you're after a premium foldable, a flagship powerhouse, or a budget-friendly 5G gem, let's dive in and see which ones are worth your time and money. Let's start with the king of foldables, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Priced at $1,799, this isn't a phone you'll buy on a whim, but if you're after a premium experience, it's hard to ignore. The 12.4-inch display is a beast, offering a tablet-like experience that's perfect for multitasking. Whether you're splitting your screen for work or binge-watching a movie, the build quality is top-notch, with a durable design that feels like it's built to last, and the performance is snappy thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Now the downsides? Well, that $1,799 price tag is a big ask, especially when you consider the limited app optimization for foldables. Many apps still struggle to adapt to the unique form factor, which can feel like a missed opportunity. Plus, the Fold 7 is heavy and bulky, making it less practical for everyday use unless you're willing to carry it around. But if you're a tech enthusiast who values innovation and a premium feel, this is a game changer. It's not for everyone, but for those who can justify the cost, it's a standout. Next up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, a more compact foldable that's still packed with premium features. At $849, it's a fraction of the Fold 7's price, but it still delivers. The 6.7-inch display is a nice size for a foldable, and the hinge feels solid, making it easy to open and close without drama. The camera is a highlight too, offering decent low-light performance and a 12-megapixel main lens that's great for casual snaps. However, it's not without its flaws. The Flip 7 FE is still bulkier than a standard phone, and while it's more affordable, the same app optimization issues plague it. It's a great choice if you want a foldable that's less of a burden to carry around, but it's not going to replace your regular phone entirely. This one is ideal for those who want a stylish, foldable that's more practical for daily use without breaking the bank. Moving on to the flagship that's setting the 2026 tech scene, the Samsung Galaxy S25 5G. Priced at $488.01, it's a steal for a top-tier smartphone. This device is packed with the latest specs, including a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 200-megapixel main camera, and a 5,000 mAh battery that promises all-day use. The camera system is a standout, with advanced AI features that make even average photos look professional. But there's a catch. The $488 price tag is steep, and while it's a flagship, some users might find the battery life doesn't quite match the claims, especially with heavy usage. Plus, the color options are limited, which could be a downside for those who want to match their style. Still, if you're after the best performance and features in a single device, the S25 5G is a no-brainer. It's the ultimate all-rounder for anyone who wants cutting-edge tech without the need for multiple gadgets. Now for something a bit different, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, which is our pick for the best balance of performance and affordability. At $399, it's a mid-range gem that doesn't skimp on features. The 6.6-inch display is bright and responsive, and the camera system is impressively good for its price. With a 108-megapixel main lens that handles daylight shots with ease. The battery life is another winner, lasting through a full day of use even with moderate apps. However, it's not a flagship, so the specs are a bit behind the latest models. You'll notice the software updates are limited compared to higher-end devices, and while 5G is available in most regions, there are a few places where it's not supported. But for everyday tasks like streaming, social media, and light productivity, The A56 5G is a rock-solid choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable phone without paying premium prices. Finally, the budget-friendly option, the Galaxy Samsung A26 5G at just $249. It's a no-frills 5G phone that gets the job done. The 6.6-inch display is adequate, and the battery life is decent for its price. The software updates are regular, which is a big plus for long-term use. However, the camera is average, with a 50-megapixel main lens that struggles in low light, and the build quality feels a bit less premium compared to other models. This phone is ideal for users who prioritize affordability and reliability over cutting-edge specs. If you're looking for a basic 5G phone that won't break the bank and can handle daily tasks without hiccups, the A26 5G is a solid choice. It's not going to impress tech purists, but for casual use, it's a great value. So, which one should you go for? If you're after the best value for your money, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is our top pick. It's packed with features without the premium price tag. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and where to buy. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.